Hello everyone! Now for our next craft, we will be drawing a tree. So start off by drawing the shape of a Christmas tree in 3 triangles. Now cut it out and stick it onto a blue paper. Stick some decorations, a star on the top, some colorful circles at the bottom to show the beads. Now take a cotton box that has been emptied and make a hole into it in strips as shown above. Add some eyes, a red nose and a cute little mouth and stick the tree into it. Now for our next craft, once again draw a tree in red and cut out some green strips of paper. Add glue to your tree and at each layer add the strips of paper that you have cut out along with the bark of the tree. Now for the next drawing, we are going to make something Christmas related once again. So cut out green tree as such and stick it on a black piece of paper. Add some wood at the sides that will make the hands as well as the bottom which will make the legs. Add a star and some other decorations to your Christmas tree. For the next drawing, we will be cutting out a Christmas tree yet again and stick it in 2 sides, make it in such a way that it is illusionary. Decorate it with colorful balls of paper, add a bark to the tree and add a star at the top. Add some snow at the bottom using clay and add little gifts at the bottom of the tree as well as a mistletoe. Thank you for watching.